Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today's topic is composite filling. That is the must. Every patient have to do the regular dental checkup. If there is any catch, then they have to do the filling. Normally we do composite filling, that is the best filling in dentistry. Do watch the video till the end. A composite, that is a tooth colored filling material, is used to repair a tooth that is affected by decay म्हणजे cavities, cracks म्हणजे fractures, etc. The decayed or affected portion of the tooth will be removed and then filled with composite filling. The composite filling along with silver amalgam filling are the most widely used today. Before we begin, we have to take radiograph, that is the X-ray, to confirm it is essential or not. X-ray is the low-cost diagnostic tools to diagnose the health of the root, bone surrounding the tooth, observe the status of developing teeth and abnormalities such as cavities, that is the caries. Let us get started. Normally the steps followed in composite restorations are as follows. The first, we have to give the local anesthesia if the patient is having a pain. Second is preparation of the operative site. Third is the set selections. Fourth is the isolation, that is a totally dryness around the tooth structure, so we can easily do the filling without any saliva contamination. Fifth is tooth preparation. Sixth is preliminary steps of enamel and dentine bonding. Enamel is the outermost layer of the tooth and dentine is the secondmost layer of the tooth. We have to etch that area so that filling can retain over there. 7 is the matrix placement. We have to put a matrix so that the filling will get the proper contour. Inserting the composite filling is the 8 steps. 9th is contouring the composite and 10th is the polishing the composite. This is the cavity you all can see in the picture. We have to prepare the cavity in such a way so that it will receive the filling. This is the case in our clinic. You can see in the picture class 2 restorations to be filled. We have prepared the cavity in such a way so that it will retain the composite filling over there. This is class 4 fracture case. Patient came to our clinic. We have rebuilt it with the composite filling. You can see before and after. This is the case in our clinic. Patient came with the filling of blackness of this filling. So we turn this filling into the composite. You can see before and after. We have to give topical gumming gel on the operating side to help discomfort needle may cause. Use the cotton roll to isolate the tooth. Handpiece drill remove the decay from the tooth. After the cavity preparation, self-etchant dental adhesive should apply to the cavity. This forms the rough surface to bound the filling. Dry the area using the air syringe after the etchant. Etchant should place there approximate 15 to 20 seconds. Self-etchant adhesive, cure it with ultraviolet light. Then pack the composite with the condenser. Then smooth and merge the filling towards the wall of the tooth with the burnisher. Then give the curing light approximate 15 to 20 seconds over the material to harden the material. Polishing instrument should be used to polish the composite after the curing. At this stage, dentist should check the bite to ensure that everything is normal. Patient does not have any discomfort. All done. It looks perfect. No discomfort. After the filling, patient may feel sensitivity, but it may subside 1 or 2 weeks. If it does not, then you have to contact the dental office. Filling are the most common and affordable dental procedure for children and adults. They used to restore the integrity and function of missing tooth structure, commonly caused by tooth decay. Placing a filling, you reduce the amount of bacteria in the mouth, extend the life of the tooth, delay the need for additional dental work indefinitely. So friends, if you have any problem, there is any food lodgement between the teeth or within the teeth, keep your dental checkup regularly. See you soon with the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.